Nifty gave us a massive 225 points gap down. But while most traders were panic selling, a perfect 63-point option buying opportunity was forming right under their noses. Today was the best example why we protect capital. I actually booked a small loss in my stock trades today, but I stayed patient. If you avoid forced trades on sideways days in option buying, the market will reward you with setups like this. Let's look at the put option chart and see exactly where the 63-point profit was hidden. As we all know, we will not take any trade till 9:40. We will just wait and watch the market. Let's see after 9:40 what is happening. Here inside candle setup was found, but we need to take a option buying trade, correct? So mother candle should be a green candle. Here is it is a red candle, so we will not take this trade. See here perfect three candle setup was found. First candle, second candle, third candle, right? Green candle has the highest volume. Second candle broke the low of the first candle, closed above low. Third candle respected low of the second candle. So perfect three candle theory setup formed. 20-50 MAs are also trending upwards. So you would have took a trade at high of this particular candle, say at around 142, and your stop loss would have been around 124. Fine. So see what happened here. Yes, Nifty reversed and closed below 50 MA in this particular candle. So what we will do as per our trailing 20 MA SA rule, we will shift our stop loss to low of this candle. So its low is 138.8. So we will shift our stop loss to 137. So our entry was at 142 and stop loss would be at around 137 and it got hit. So here we would have missed, we would have lost 5 points in this particular trade. Okay. Now see again 20 MA start in going in downtrend. So let's see when we get a next opportunity. See here again now 20 MA start moving up. Correct. 50 MA is already in the upward direction. So see here again a three candle setup was formed. First candle, second candle, third candle. Green candle has the highest volume. Second candle broke the low of the first candle, closed above low of the first candle. Third candle respected low of the second candle. Perfect opportunity. So you would have took a trade at high of this candle, that is around 148, and your stop loss would have been around 130, 133. So see what happened in this trade. Yes, here you would have got 2 hour profit in just next candle only, correct? As soon as you took a trade, you would have got a 2 hour profit in that particular trade, in that particular next candle only. Now let's see, here we got a 30-point profit, right? Now let's see where is the next opportunity. See here again a three candle, sorry, inside candle bar setup formed. First candle, second candle, green candle has the highest volume, mother candle, 20 MA, 50 MA trending up. So we will take a trade at high of this particular candle. See how perfectly the setups are forming here when the market is trending. Low will be my stop loss. So see here, one second. Yes, we got a 2 hour profit in this particular trade also, right? So your entry was around 171, stop loss would have been around 152, correct? So 18, kitna? 171, 150, 19 point stop loss. So you got a 38-point target in this particular trade. So here you got a 38-point profit in the last trade, that is in this trade we got a 30-point profit. So total 68-point profit, and in first trade we would have lost 5 points. So 68 minus 5 will be the total 63-point profit opportunity was there in case of option buying today. Now let's move to the 25,500 call option chart. See here what is happening, what is our primary filter. Always remember that point, always remember that point, primary filter. First look at the primary filter whenever you see the chart. My primary filter is 20 EMA must be above 50 EMA whenever I need to take a option buying trade, correct? But here For the whole day 20 EMA was below 50 EMA. So was there any setup? No setup. Hence no trade in case of call option buying. You see how the setup respected the levels. That is the power of waiting. Now let's pivot to my actual stock trades. Even with a clear bearish bias in the index, individual stocks can be tricky. I took a loss today and I want to show you exactly why I exited. Managing your downside is the only way to stay in the game long enough to catch the big moves. So, in case of stocks, let's move to the 15-minute time frame. See here, perfect. Three candle setup was found. First candle, second candle, third candle. Second candle has broke the low high of the first candle, closed below high of the first candle. Third candle respected high of the second candle. So took a trade at low of this candle. High was my stop loss. See what happened. I closed this trade in a small profit at the end of the day because there was no profit target met, no stop loss hit. Even no candle not close, any candle not closed above 20 EMA here. So I will exit the trade at around 3:14 p.m. Now let's move to the next stock. See here, perfect inside candle setup is formed here. First candle, second candle, mother candle has the highest volume. 20-50 EMAs are trending downside. So at low, I took a trade. High was my stop loss. See what happened. This candle closed above 20 EMA. So my stop loss was just above point 0.2 above that particular high. So I kept the same stop loss, original stop loss there. But for the whole day, that stop loss was not hit, and I closed this trade at around 3:14 p.m. in minor loss. Sorry. Again, next trade. First candle, second candle, third candle. Right, inside candle setup form. C. 20 MA, 50 MA are trending downside. At low of this particular third candle, I took a trade because red candle has the highest volume out of these three candle. High was my stop loss. See, this candle closed above 20 EMA. So I shifted my stop loss to high of this particular candle, but my stop loss doesn't hit. So I closed this trade at 3:14 p.m. in loss. This was my next trade. A perfect three candle setup was formed here. See, first candle, second candle, third candle. 20-50 EMAs were trending downside. Red candle has the highest volume. So at low, I took a trade. High was my stop loss. I closed this trade at around 3:14 p.m. in a minor profit or around break even only. My next trade was in Vigard Industries. 20 MA, 50 MAs are trending downward. Inside candle setup form. First candle has the highest volume. So I took a low trade at the low of this candle. High was my stop loss. See what happened. In this candle, my stop loss hit. So I exited this particular trade. Stock again reversed in my direction, but I don't look at it because my stop loss has already been hit. So I'm exited this. I have already exited this trade. This was my next trade. First candle, second candle, inside candle setup was formed. 20-50 MAs are trending downwards. First candle has the highest volume. So at low, I took a trade. High was my stop loss. At the end of the day, around 3:14 p.m., I closed this trade in minor profit. The market doesn't pay you for being busy. It pays you for being disciplined. We saw a 63-point option buying setup today simply because we didn't force a trade when the setup wasn't there. If you want to stop gambling and start trading with a clean plan, hit that subscribe button right now. I break down these daily opportunities so you can build the same discipline. Let me know which topic we should cover next in the comments. See you in the next one. Thank you.